Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. Today I have, we are going to be unboxing the Glow Addict Beauty Bag, not to be confused with the box. And this is a new subscription that I have added to my subscriptions. It is $13.99 a month plus shipping. It comes out to $15.31 after everything. So no, it's $13 a month, not $13.99. It's $13 a month plus choose something in shipping, and it's $15.31 after everything for the subscription. You guys, I am obsessed with this. I mean, I know last month was my first month, but I loved it. I mean, for $15, like most subscriptions are under $20, all you get is samples, and that is not the case with this subscription. So I love it, and they showcase a lot of my favorite indie brands, and I'm really into indie brands. So it's actually a super affordable way for me to grow my collection with indie brands, because as you know, indie brands can be a tad bit more expensive because they are a small company, they're funding themselves, so they have to price their products at where they can make money and make money to reproduce it again. So I totally get it. Still worth it. I love it. Ruby May palette I got in my last one. I'm obsessed with it. Ruby May Cosmetics is one of my favorite indie brands, so they have been featured in this subscription box for a long time. I am sorry I just rambled on like that, but I just am really into this subscription and indie brands. And whereas I know BoxyCharm is great, I love them, I also want more than just what Boxy offers, these huge name brand. I love getting my BoxyCharm. Do not get me wrong. I'm not saying that that is not true. But what I am saying is I also love having a subscription where I can get indie brands, small brands that I know and I love and I follow on Instagram, and I have alerts to when they're releasing new products. And so this is a fun way for me to get those as well. So I have not peeked inside. I have not opened it. I have no clue what's in here. So I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open this. Like I said, it is a $13 a month beauty subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, $13 a month. You do pay shipping, but after shipping, it's like $15.31. They do offer a box as well that is $18 a month, and I believe after shipping, it's like $21, so it's not that much different. It's a new bag. It's totally different than last month. Oh my gosh! Oh, there's something else on it as well. What the hell? Oh, what the heck? I'm sorry for cursing. Oh no, that's part. Okay, so you open it up and you get a bag, and it says Capri. This last month was in a little plastic like, it looked like a pencil pouch, but it had like this in it. So I really like that bag. But this is a great size. You look inside of it, and that's what it looks like. So again, this is $13 a month. That's all it costs plus shipping. So $15.31. But again, that's all it costs. So just know that you get this bag. The only thing complaint I do have is they don't send you a flyer that says what you're getting, what it's for, what it is. I don't even need the price on. Just it says how much the value is. I don't even need that, just explaining what it is. But this is a cute makeup bag, and if you look, it opens up on the bottom, so it's pretty big. This is a big one. I am excited because we don't often, we get the small bags, and it comes with this little thing. It does say Capri on it. I'm just gonna blindly reach in and grab the first thing I grab. Okay, we open it up, and this is a Cast Cosmetics single shadow Artemis. Is that the name? Artemis? Yeah, Artemis, and it's a silver gray color, so it looks like that. And we will swatch it. Ooh, it's really soft and buttery. Ooh, oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, looky. Oh, I love that. Oh, I will get so much use out of that. And I don't have a shimmer silver color like that. And this is, again, an example of just a smaller company that I'm not familiar with, so I get to learn, get something new. Let's see. What else do we have? Oh, We got something from my favorite indie band, Ruby May Cosmetics. Oh, what is this? Oh, a cream concealer and contouring palette. Okay. I don't have anything like this, so let me open it up. And I have red patches and discoloration in my skin, so I actually can, it's kind of greasy on top. Or is that on top or inside? Oh, that's inside. Ugh, that's gross. But this is what it looks like, and it's just a color correcting so that you could use this color for your under eyes, or this color. This would be more for if you had really, let me do this, really, really dark circles, or if you're a man and you have stubble, you could use this color, or for contouring. But this, for under eyes, this I will use for my red, I get really red skin. I have some scarring, so the purple is great for scarring. So, and then we have the contouring and highlighting as well. So this is awesome. Oh, and it's a magnetic close. Oh, cool. It's not a clip close. It's a magnetic. I love Ruby May Cosmetics. Like, they're so awesome. Next, we have a Sonia Kashuk gel eyeliner in Black Diamond. I'm not going to open it because, you guys, I have, like, so many black eyeliners right now. But I believe this one may be glittery, which I also have. But that's Sonia Kashuk, so that's a good brand. I love that. And, you know, we get eyeliners from every subscription that we get. Like, every month we know we're going to get, if you get multiple subscriptions, you know you're getting eyeliners in the month. At more than one at that. What do we have next? This is... oh, Naked Cosmetics HD Banana Finishing Powder. Awesome. So this is by Naked Cosmetics, and it's just a banana setting powder. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. And it's not that small. So this is compared to my hand. I mean, this is probably the size. This is bigger than my Maybelline one. So love that. We'll get plenty of use out of that. So this is the last thing in there. And this was, I believe, in the box last month. And same with this eyeliner, I believe. I could be wrong on that, but I think that's the case. I'm not sure. This is the Soar Lip and Cheek Velvet Stick in the color Naughty. So we open it up. Is this a bronzer? In today's multitasking, super high-def world, your makeup should also live up to the challenge. Soarmay's high-definition lip and cheek velvet sticks are the on-the-go, quick, enhanced beauty essential. Used on your lips, cheeks, and eyes to enhance and create amazing highlights. But then it says do not use near the eyes. This long-lasting and creamy formula is lightweight and blends easily. Dries to a matte finish that is crease-proof and lasts all day. So it dries to a matte finish, but it's very shimmery. So I think it's pretty. But I could probably use it for like a, yeah, I could use that for a blush for sure. Would I use that for a lip? No. But it says it dries to a matte finish. But how would it dry to a matte finish if it's a shimmer product? It's pretty though, don't get me wrong. I will use this. This I will definitely get some use out. It's super pretty. And I think this is something like if you're lighter skin tone, you could definitely use this as a bronzer to warm up your face, or again, an eyeshadow. You could definitely use this for different skin tones. Whereas like that highlighter that I got last month, only a dark complected person could wear that. So again, for $13, I got a makeup bag. I got the Soar Lip and Cheek multi-stick in the color Naughty. I got the Sonia Kashuk Black Shimmer Eye Pencil. I got the Cast Cosmetics single eyeshadow. And I believe in the box you got 2 shadows, so I got the Naked Cosmetics banana powder. And I would say this is a travel size. This isn't a sample size, but definitely probably a travel size. So small. It might be a full size. I don't know. See, that's why I wish they put like a a mailer with it so you knew what you were getting. And then we also got the Ruby May Cosmetics Conceal, Cream Conceal and Contouring Palette. And that's a pretty good size. This is going to be great for on trips and stuff that I can just throw it in. It's nice and small. I don't have to worry about it getting dirty. I do have like, because what I have is little separate ones for like my color correcting and stuff like that. And that's going to be great for me to just, I don't have to carry multiple different tubes. So I love that. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. This is the Glow Addict Beauty Bag, not the box, the bag that is $13 a month. You get 4 to 5 products. And you guys, if we include the bag, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 3. Yeah, 6 things. Maybe it's 5 to 6 products. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know, but it's $13. Who cares, you guys? This is the best bag under $20. I love this subscription. I love it, you guys. Last month, I got a 9-pan Ruby May Cosmetics palette that is amazing. I love it. It's a palette that I had been dying to get, so it was so awesome to actually get it in a subscription that's $13. So let me know if you get this subscription. I will leave a link down below to it just in case you are interested in signing up. This is an amazing subscription, you guys. Check them out on Instagram if you want to see their past boxes, or they did just have they sold out of their boxes, but they did just have a restock of 63 more boxes that they can sell. So if you're interested in signing up, get on that quickly, and I will see you guys later.